Good morning, I'm Rena Ninen.
I'm Candice Gibson with the top stories on this Monday, January 11th. We're going to start with breaking news out of London. Entertainer David Bowie has died after an 18-month battle with cancer. He was multi-talented, English singer, songwriter, record producer, actor, as well as painter, an innovative figure in the popular music world for nearly 50 years. His androgynous appearance was really an essential element of his image in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. David Bowie turned 69 years old on Friday.
Last night's Golden Globe saw all of Hollywood's best and brightest take to the red carpet and line up for accolades. Winning for television was USA's Mr. Robot and Amazon's Mozart in the Jungle. And in film, The Revenant and its star Leonardo DiCaprio took home Best Picture and Best Actor, as did The Martian and its star Matt Damon.
Okay, no awards for the financial markets overseas right now. They're off to a shaky start to the week. The main Chinese stock index this morning falling more than 5%, dragging down other Asian markets, I should point out. This is also affecting markets worldwide as investors question Beijing's economic management. And the economy there is the second largest in the world, so a lot of people pay attention. U.S. stocks had their worst week in 4 years, and you could be in for more of the same today.
And speaking of wipeout, check out 48-year-old pro surfer Garrett McNamara trying to tame an El Nino-fueled 50-foot-high wave in the treacherous Maverick surf break just south of San Francisco. But the wave won, tossing and crushing his body like a rag doll, breaking his upper left arm and dislocating his shoulder.
Ouch.
He's going to have surgery on Friday, and he posted on Facebook his doctors expect 110% recovery.
I mean, I'd say for half of it, he kind of nailed it. It was that bottom, like 90% of the wave that didn't work out.
He was 1,000 times better than either of us could have done it.
Yeah, true. Touche. Get more news anytime at abcnews.com. I'm Candice Gibson.
And I'm Rena Ninen. Thanks so much for watching.